Canva, a tutorial for beginners. So I'll be showing you what are the features of Canva if you are a beginner. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So if you are looking for an editor for your social media and for presentations and other purposes, well, this is the right video for you. So let's go and head on to the video. So first we are going to our Canva, and we are required to have an account for this. So if you have an account, just sign in using your account. For me, it is my Google account, and if you don't have, you can create using your Google account or other socials. So right now we are going to have a tutorial or an overview for Canva in the free trial version. So you have some things that you cannot do in the trial version than the pro version. So in the pro version, it is a paid one, so you can also have the pro version. So let's head on here on the left side. So Canva offers a lot of templates for your presentations and for your graphic designs, and also you can have some stock photos that is provided by Canva, and some of these stock photos are also available in the pro and the trial version, and some are only available in the pro. So right now we are here in the home screen of Canva. You have a lot of formats here available. If you click on the create design, you have some pre-made formats and sizes. So there are sizes and formats for social medias such as Facebook and Instagram. So you just choose, and also if you do not want to have these formats, you can have the customized design. So you can just input the format here or the size, so you can have it in inches or in pixels. So let's go and head on to the formats that is provided by Canva. So let us head on to these docs right here. So you can create docs in Canva as well. So just click on docs and create a template or choose a template for it. So you can see many templates for different formats in Canva. It is provided for you already, so there will be no more hassle in creating these graphics designs. So we have here a document that has been made for us with a format. So you can edit this format by clicking on the text on the format or in the document. So you can just type in your text, or you can also delete some of these formats right here, and also you can add some elements such as charts and photos. So you can just click on that element button on the left side of Canva, and you can add it on the document that we have right here, and also you can delete here by clicking on the trash icon. So you can also work in teams since you are in Canva. So this is the advantage of Canva. If you want to have collaborative work with your team, you can use Canva for this kind of purpose. So in just like any other editor, just like Microsoft Word, you can change the font, the size of the text, and also the colors. So you can just add some headings, some subheadings, and some normal text, and also it would give you some formats right here. So you can just choose the format and it will automatically go to your document. So in order for you to download this, go to share and go to download, and also you can choose the desired format of your document. Also you can have this or share this through a link. You can just also manage or change the access. So let us go back to the home page of Canva, and then let us go and have the presentations or the graphics. So let us choose a template for the graphics, and in here we choose Facebook. So you can have Instagram and LinkedIn as well. So this is a Facebook format, so it means that the size and the pixels are already made suitable for Facebook. So you can just drag this template right here, and you can play it in the timeline, and you can see in the timeline as well you can add some pages, and I will show you later on. So you can also edit this text right here according or depends on your desire on what text that you're going to put. So in order for you to preview this, go to the preview button at the top right, so you will see on how your graphic would turn out. So you can also download it here on the download button with your desired format. So if you are done with that, you can just go back and then you're good to go. So let us try and explore more of the templates offered by Canva. So we are here on the dashboard again, or on the home page. So let us go and try these presentations. So we must pick as well a format or a template, so you can have a lot of templates right here. You can just add the pages by clicking on the plus icon, and once you add the page, you can tap on that templates right here to choose the template. You can also move the order of the slides, and then here you can also go to presentation mode by clicking on the presentation, so you can present in class or in any meeting the presentation that you have made by clicking on the presentation mode. So you can also add some headings here or some text which have also some templates for you, so that you won't need to do a lot of extra work. So you can just also type in the letters here and also add some elements to the slide that you are working on. So if you're not satisfied, you can also delete this and change the text that is on the Canva right here. So I'm just showing you how to change it. So let us go back again and explore more of the Canva illustration. So in here you can just see the works that you have worked on earlier, so don't worry if you haven't finished it. You can just go back here and check on it. So let's go and head on to another template. So these are videos. So we have here some templates, but you can also have these videos right here. So if you tap on that, you will be head on to the editor. So you can also here see in the timeline, you can adjust the sound, the pages, and also the templates that you can add to the video of your choice. And then if you are done with it, you can also preview, as I have told you earlier, and you can also download it on a desired format, preferably MP4, since this is a video format. Also, you can add some notes for your presentation right here by clicking on the notes icon or the notes button down below. So it is very easy to navigate Canva. And also you can have web pages here. The awesome thing is that you can publish web pages in Canva, and it also have templates for your web pages. So if you want some web pages or to publish a web page, you can have this, or you can choose from a lot of options, and you can also customize the web pages by adding animations, by changing the text, and also by adding some pictures on Canva. So you can preview it right here. So this is a desktop preview of your web page if you are satisfied with it, and you can also publish it in the free domain by clicking on the publish website. So there is a publish website in the top right corner right here, and also you can edit the domain of your website. So we have a free domain and some paid domain, and also a few options in creating a web page. So now let us go and create a blank one or a default one, so that you can see on how to navigate the Canva. So let us go and create a custom size. So let us put in here inches, and let us put in 14 for the width and 16 for the height. So this will create a white blank format for you, and in this way you can have the freedom to create your own template or style. So let us put this text right here, happy birthday, and you can also change the background or the solid color of the graphic right here, and then you can search for some elements for your graphic design. So let us make this simple and fast. So just you can see on how to navigate. So you can see here the graphics, the videos. So let us have some graphics here. So some with the crown logo, you cannot use it since it is for the pro, and you can also put some animation on these elements right here. So let us add another element and put it right here and put an animation for it. And if you want to see it on the preview, it will look like this. So you can take your time in creating your graphics, so you can also download it in the desired format. So I hope you have learned a lot of things in this tutorial, and I hope that you are able to make a lot of graphics using Canva, since it is a free and very easy to use website. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.